Okay, so this is the unit test review as done by Mr. Gallagher. Problem number one, right here. Write the algebraic expression as verbal phrase. That's 10. So I'm going to say 10 less than x. Problem number two, let me widen this out a little bit here. Problem number two, write the algebraic expression as a verbal phrase. I'm going to say this is 4/5 of a number. Problem number three, 22 less than a number is going to be x minus 22. Problem number four says the product of 3 and a number is 12. I'm going to write this as 3n equals 12. Number five, using the expression 7x minus 12, identify the variables, the constants, and the coefficients. The variables is x. The constants is negative 12. It's the only number, it's the only term that remains constant. And the coefficient is equal to 7. That's the number multiplied by x. 7 right there. Number 6. How many terms in this following expression? I'm going to separate them with squiggly digglies. I've got these terms here, separated by a plus sign and minus signs. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Problem number 7. We're going to substitute y, so we're going to evaluate the expression. Negative 10 times y times 3. Negative 10, parentheses, times negative 2, parentheses, and 3, parentheses. This is 20 times 3, which is equal to 60. The next problem is very similar to number 7. Number 8 is a substitution problem, so we're going to have negative 2, parentheses, negative 3 squared minus 5 plus 7. This is equal to negative 2. I'm just rewriting this number here. Times 9 minus 5. This is a positive 9 right there. Plus 7. This is equal to negative 2, parentheses, times 4 plus 7. This is negative 1. Negative 8 plus 7 is negative 1. Number 9 says evaluate this expression. X is negative 3 and y is negative 1. So I write 5 times negative 3 minus 9 divided by 2 times negative 1 plus 1. This is negative 15. Take away 9 divided by negative 2 plus 1. Negative 15 take away 9 is negative 24. And I divide this by negative 1, and I end up with positive 24 as an answer to problem number 9. Moving on to problem number 10. Simplify this expression. This is one term. We multiply the negative 6 by both of the terms on the inside of the parentheses. So this problem is equal to negative 6 times x plus 12. This plus 12 right here came from negative 6 times negative 2. So now I have two terms, negative 6x plus 12. They're not like each other. I cannot combine them. Number 11 is very similar. You distribute to remove the parentheses from this term. We have 15x plus 10. And that's the answer to number 11. Number 12 is two terms. So we have a 7 here that we rewrite right here, and we distribute the negative 3 inside the parentheses. Minus 3x minus 6. This is equal to 1 minus 3x. The 1, we combined the negative 6 and the 7. And the negative 3x. So I end up with 1 minus 3x as an answer. Problem number 13 is very similar, only the negative 3 is on the other side. So I multiply the negative 3 by both of the terms on the inside. I end up with negative 3a minus 18. The minus 18 comes from the 6 times the negative 3. And that's the answer for problem number 13. Problem number 14, there's 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 terms here. The 5x and the 4x are like each other. I combine those to get 9x. The negative 3x squared and the negative 9x squared is negative 12x squared. That was my dog barking. You be quiet. Problem number 15. There's an invisible 1 out there. I have to use the distributive property. And I get negative 8x plus 2 after I remove the parentheses from that term. There are 2 terms in this expression. The next one is plus 36x, or 36, just 36. 9 times 4 is just 36, minus 18x. Now, I end up with minus 8x here, minus, oh, this is a mistake, so it's just minus 8x. So I combine the x terms here, minus 8x and minus 18x. That gives me minus 26x. Now this term and this term combine to get plus 38. And that's what I get for problem number 15. Go through those again. That's the idea. If you don't understand it, look in your notes. Be curious, and good luck on your test tomorrow.